Hey everybody, Leann Forst here, and today I want to talk to you about doTERRA's frankincense. So frankincense, if you have not used it yet, you need to get it out right now and open it up and smell it because it's a wonderful woodsy smelling oil. It's very calming and relaxing to the mind and the spirit. A lot of people like to sleep with lavender, but I prefer frankincense. So frankincense is one of those very versatile oils. It has lots of different uses. It's probably the most studied essential oil out there with hundreds of published studies behind it. And so, I always say when in doubt, use frankincense because it has so many uses. So I'm just going to give you a few of those uses today. So first of all, frankincense is known as the go-to for cellular health. It does have anti-tumor properties, and studies have shown that it does have efficacy about helping to support your cells to perform optimally. So for that reason, it's a very valuable oil, but not just that, it has a lot of other things that can help to support the whole mind and body as well. It is a good oil to diffuse for emotional wellness and calming and peace and meditation. It's also a great one to put in a roller bottle and use topically. It does have anti-aging properties. It can be used for anti-aging support. So it's one that I love to put. If I put my moisturizer in my hand, I put a few drops of frankincense before I put my moisturizer on. So that's a great use for it. It does help with healthy hormone support, healthy mood support. It really does have anti-inflammatory properties. So it's going to help with supporting a reduction of pain and inflammation, putting it on your joints, or even taking it internally. Because doTERRA is certified pure therapeutic grade, there are many of their oils that you can take internally. Of course, you want to read the bottle, make sure it says that it's for internal use, but frankincense is one of them. And you could drop it underneath your tongue or put it in a veggie capsule if you don't like the taste. And it's going to give you whole body wellness support. So those are just a few ways to use frankincense. And if you have any questions, please leave your comments below and I'll be sure to help you. Thanks. Bye-bye.